Hello guys, welcome to Opportunity Nanny. Today we are looking at a fully funded Knight-Hennessy scholarship for graduate studies at Stanford University in the US. Now guys, before you panic, just calm down. I know that when a lot of people, when you hear Stanford University, are just like, oh, I can never get in. But this scholarship is offered to 100 people, and the people that are applying are human beings like you. Just believe in yourself, believe in your potential, and just give it a try. You don't know which one is going to work out, so don't be scared. Stanford is a Ivy League school. It has a big name, but there are also human beings that are in the school. So please do not be discouraged and believe in yourself, and just watch this video and follow the steps, and you see that you'll be able to apply and you may just be considered. Now, this scholarship, you're going to be receiving up to 3 years of funding for graduate study at Stanford, and this funding includes degrees like JD, MA, MBA, MD, MFA, MS, DMA, and even a PhD program, as well as joint and dual program. So this scholarship covers a broad base of programs. So whichever one you're interested in, you can go on ahead and apply. Now, for financial support, for the first 3 years, your funding is going to be tuition fee. They're going to cover your fee. They're going to give you a stipend, living stipend, to cover your academic expenses, your cost of living. You're going to be getting stipend for room, books, board, supplies, transportation, and personal expenses. You're going to be getting a stipend for that. You're also going to be getting a travel stipend for annual round-trip economy ticket to and from Stanford. So annually, you're going to be getting an economic ticket to and from Stanford. Also, additional funding, newly enrolled scholars will receive a one-time relocation stipend for moving and technological purchases. So you can see that this scholarship offers a lot. You're going to be getting relocation stipend. They're also going to be giving you money if you want to purchase new technological purchases, like maybe a new phone, a new SIM card, or something like that. Now, for second and third year scholars, you may also apply for supplemental funds for academic enrichment. For example, maybe you want to travel for a conference travel, they can also fund that. Now, for programs exceeding 3 years, that's programs like an MD or a PhD or a joint degree, then the funding will be based on the program standard commitment. So after the 3 years has passed, depending on the program, then you also receive extra funding. I'm going to be showing you that in the website for those that are interested in like a PhD or an MD that is more than 3 years, because this funding only covers 3 years. Now, to be eligible for this scholarship, they don't have any restriction on age, college, field of study, or career. Now, as I said, that is open to almost every degree type, and there's no specification on the type of course to do. It's also open to all nationals, so no national is exempted. Now, the two major criteria is that you must be admitted to Stanford, so you must either be applying or have received an offer letter. Do you understand? Or you already have a deferred offer to Stanford, but you don't need to get an offer letter before you can apply for the scholarship, but you have to at least apply to Stanford before you can apply for the scholarship. Now, there is a list of ineligible programs, which are Honors Cooperative Program, Masters of Liberal Arts, Doctor of Science of Law, that's JSD, co-terminal graduate study for current Stanford students, and MA or MS in the same discipline for current Stanford PhD students. Now, your undergraduate degree, you must have earned a US bachelor's degree or equivalent in January 2018 or later. So it must not be more than 2018. So please put that in mind. Now, the scholarship deadline is October 9, 2024. So if you're interested, please go on ahead and apply now. Apply as soon as possible. And just make sure you watch the rest of this video. I'm going to be taking you to the university's website to see how to apply. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So guys, this is the scholarship website for the Knight-Hennessy scholars at Stanford University in the US. So I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box as I always do. But please make sure you pay attention, because the steps for the admission is a bit different from what you may know. Now, I'll advise you to read the program overview, read more in details about the scholarship. It's always good to understand what the scholarship is about and what they're looking for. Even though I've provided some in the intro video, please just do well to read more in depth. Now, let's go to the admission, because we want to see how we can be admitted. So once you click on admission, it's going to take you to this tab. Now, you can read on before you apply, why this scholarship, eligibility, and all that, but I didn't touch on criteria in my intro video. So they're looking at the criteria that they're interested in when you are applying. Do you understand? So now they want you to have independence of thought, Please make sure you read that. Purposeful leadership. So they want courageous leaders who have achieved impactful results, a civic mindset. So are you able to collaborate with community members? Are you humble, empathetic, and stuff? So you have to demonstrate all these characters. Do you understand? Now they said we find evidence of this selection criteria throughout your application, and if you are invited to participate in your video statement and during the finalist experience. So we look forward to getting to know you and all that. So that's what you need to apply. So before you go on ahead and apply, let's look at what to do preparing for your application. So once you click on this, it's going to take us to this page. Now in this page, you can see again, you can read about this, the eligibility in depth. Even though I provided some in the intro video, it's always a good idea to go and look at it well. The criteria, I just showed you that, and the date and deadline. I already told you that the deadline is 9th October 2024. So let's move to the next, preparing your application. So once you click on that, okay, this is date and deadline. I've already showed you this. This is all under admissions, please. I've already showed you this. So you must submit. I told you that you have to also apply for admission to program, to a graduate program, whether it's PhD or whatever. I've already showed you that before. The deadline for the Knight-Hennessy scholarship is October 9, 2024. But guys, what you must keep in mind is that Stanford University graduate program does not open for admission till mid-September. Do you understand? So you have to wait till mid-September to apply. But the good thing is that you can apply for the Knight-Hennessy scholarship first before the deadline. Then you now apply for your graduate degree when it opens. Now, the graduate degree, they do have different deadlines, but if you are applying for the Knight-Hennessy scholarship, you must make sure that you submit your application for your graduate degree by December 1st or by the deadline of the program you're applying for, whichever one is earliest. But I always recommend that you don't have to wait till the deadline, just do it now. Do you understand? So the Knight-Hennessy scholarship deadline is 9th October 2024. You can submit that without applying for your graduate degree yet. But in order to be considered for the scholarship, you must apply for your graduate degree by the deadline of the graduate degree or by 1st December 2024, whichever one comes first. Do you understand? So please keep this in mind. Now, let's now look at desired programs. So let's just see how to pick your program at Stanford University. So once you click on desired program link, it's going to take you to this page. Now in this page, you're going to be seeing the different programs, PhD and whatever you're interested in. So let's go to, let's go to explore graduate programs. So once you click on that, it's going to take you to this page. Now in this page, you're going to see the filter for graduate programs you're interested in. You know that this scholarship, there's no a particular course that you cannot apply for. There are only particular degrees that you cannot apply for, and I've shown that in my intro video. So if you've forgotten, do well to go and check that out, or just read everything about the scholarship. So I picked Masters on Science in Applied Physics. So that's what I'm interested in now. So I can just see the overview of the program and see that the admission deadline for this applied physics course is December 16th, 2024. So I have to make sure I apply by December 1st, 2024 to make sure that I will be considered for this scholarship. You can also see the overview, but if you want to see an in-depth, we just click on the program website. So once I click on the program website, please can check to see which other course you'll be interested in. Click on the program website, it takes me to the program page. Okay, so this is everything about the admission for applied physics. You can just read it if you are interested, and it's the same thing that's going to happen once you open your preferred course. You just read about it. Now you can see for this one, GRA exam is recommended for PhD and master's program. Just scroll down and you just see the summary. Now guys, for application fee, you can apply for application fee waiver. So if you are interested in that, all you have to just do is click here. It's going to show you how to go about applying for application fee waiver and what are the criteria for applying for application fee waiver. Obviously, they're showing the amount of recommendation letters needed, your statement of purpose, and GRE is recommended but not required for this particular course, and all that. So this is just for Department of Applied Physics. So you can now click on apply to graduate program. So once you go there, it's going to tell you that application for graduate program is closed. You know, I told you that application for graduate program does not open in University of Stanford till mid-September, usually between 15 September and thereabouts. So make sure you check on that. So once you know your program you want to apply for, we'll go back to the Stanford. Let's go back to the Stanford Knight-Hennessy and we'll take you to the application portal. So just click on apply to join the 2025 cohort and it's going to take you to this page. Now in this page, you're going to see login and register I have an account here because I needed to check for something, so that's why you cannot see register. But if that's your first time, once you click on the link, it's going to show you login and register. You can click on register, enter all the information you need, and then you can apply for this scholarship. Remember that you have to apply for the scholarship before deadline, and you can apply for the scholarship first before you apply for your graduate program before you apply for your graduate program. Just make sure that you apply for your graduate program by the deadline or by December 1st, 2024 to be considered for your scholarship. You don't want to waste time and apply for your scholarship and then miss the deadline for your program that you're interested in. So that's all for the University of Stanford scholarship. This is my first scholarship that I've filmed in the US, and I'm going to be bringing more scholarship to those that are interested in studying in the US. So please make sure you stick around. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.